Давай.
Вперед.
Давай, давай.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss about FPV drones, known as the game-changing and deadliest weapon, which are often used by Ukrainian forces in combat. Get to know drone FPV, which stands for first-person view, because its operators can wear sophisticated glasses that display video feeds from the drone while flying. During this time, the FPV has become an important tool that Ukrainian forces rely heavily on in their efforts to push back Russian forces in the Ukrainian mainland. Compared with other modern precision weapons, this drone has the advantage of being able to deliver explosive payloads with much higher accuracy than old model artillery. However, the potential for hordes of kamikaze model drones to impact is very clearly beneficial, that the future belongs to robotics and unmanned technology. FPVs have long been known as kamikaze drones, as Ukrainian forces created a homemade version using improvised rocket-propelled grenades RPGs to target Russian tanks. In carrying out operations, FPVs are much more difficult to fly remotely than other unmanned vehicles, so they require special glasses for the operator to guide the drone in reaching its target. Operators who fly drones wear special goggles, display live video feeds from drone cameras, and provide a first-person view of the drone's flight. It allows precise control and real-time situational awareness and has the advantage of being able to perform attacks out of range from other weapons. Equipped with a camera resolution of 1200 TVL8, FPV drones can provide a clear view ahead in performing all obstacles by counting the number of alternating black and white vertical lines displayed on a monitor or video screen, thus allowing pilots to enjoy in flying the drone. FPV drones have a range capable of flying up to 25 kilometers and have a maximum flight time of up to 1 hour. This drone is very efficient, practical, multifunctional, and allows troops to perform multiple tasks despite their small dimensions, but is able to reach areas quickly and intercept enemies. For its speed and maneuverability, FPV drones can reach speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour. The weapon is highly maneuverable and capable of loitering and changing direction, so Ukrainian forces are able to navigate complex environments and are able to catch up to destroy speeding vehicles. Depending on the model, despite their small size, weighing just 500 grams, these racing drones can carry payloads of up to 1 kilogram and are often equipped with pre-programmed, packed explosives with the target's GPS coordinates, allowing them to strike key infrastructure. The effectiveness of the Ukrainian FPV can be seen in various videos and footage. It has been used to target and damage armored vehicles, including the Russian T-9OM main battle tank. In addition, the FPV has been instrumental in providing valuable intelligence on enemy positions and movements. Ukraine's growing reliance on FPV drones is evident. In various initiatives and developments, the country's defense ministry called this FPV a kamikaze, as its warhead destroyed the drone itself on impact. The use of FPV drones has had a significant impact on the outcome of the conflict in Ukraine and has become a mainstay for Ukrainian forces to target Russian tanks and other important targets with greater accuracy and effectiveness. FVP first-person view was originally designed for racing and hobby purposes. Then, as modern warfare has evolved, the UAF Special Combat Systems Group Angry Birds has been actively involved in the development of new drone technology for Ukraine in support of enemy counterattacks. Despite their small size and low cost, FPV drones have proven to be very effective in targeting missions to enemies with high accuracy. This weapon has largely crippled tanks and other high-value assets, making it a significant game-changer on the battlefield. Ukraine has the potential to increase production and deployment of these drones and can launch thousands of targets from unexpected locations. And this scalability further increases its effectiveness in combat, overwhelming adversaries with large numbers. Overall, FPV drones have provided Ukraine with a cost-effective and efficient tool to conduct military operations. These drones have proven highly effective in targeting and reconnaissance, and their autonomous capabilities make them increasingly valuable in the ever-evolving modern warfare.